Hi there! In this video, you will learn about how to schedule to approve, block, or wipe mobile devices in Google Workspace with xFanatical Foresight. Managing mobile devices in Google Workspace, such as approving, blocking, unblocking, wiping, or deleting, is a critical task for IT administrators. These actions often need to be performed at specific times. Since the Google Admin Console lacks scheduling, admins must manually perform tasks, leading to delays, oversights, and potential security risks. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. xFanatical Foresight provides an automation platform that allows Google Workspace admins to schedule mobile device actions like approval, blocking, unblocking, wiping, or deletion. This automation enhances operational efficiency by ensuring tasks are executed on time, aligned with user lifecycle events, reducing manual effort and the potential for mistakes, improving security by promptly enforcing access policies, standardizing workflows across the organization. By using xFanatical Foresight, admins can automate complex workflows that the native console can't handle, freeing up time for more strategic initiatives. Let's dive in and see how it works. Before moving to instructions, let's understand your organization needs. As every action is aimed to do mobile device management, and in the Google Workspace Mobile Device Automation category, we have 5 different automation rule templates. For demonstration purposes, let's take the Schedule to Approve Mobile Devices automation. You can choose the template from the xFanatical Foresight Templates page as per your requirement. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Schedule to Approve Mobile Devices template and click on it. In the Schedule to Approve Mobile Devices, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Export Chrome Devices will display. In the Time screen, in Trigger Time, set the time when the mobile devices would be approved. Click Next. On the Select an Action screen, click the Approve Mobile Device action. In the Approve Mobile Device screen, in the Device ID field, select the mobile device to approve. Optional, in the User Primary Email field, enter the primary user email of the device. Select the other actions of Approve Mobile Devices from the automation rule diagram. Either repeat previous steps to add more mobile details or delete the extra actions from the Delete Current Action button. Click Review. In the Review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how the xFanatical Foresight Schedule to approve mobile devices in Google Workspace. Sign into xFanatical Foresight. Wait until the configured trigger time. You will receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details screen, confirm the mobile device has been approved. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. Please visit xfanatical.com.